Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to report a contact in Snapchat. Reporting a contact is an important step to maintain a safe and respectful environment on the platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat with the contact you want to report. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Manage Friendships. Step 5. Next, tap on Report. Select the appropriate reason for reporting the contact from the provided options. Step 6. Finally, submit the report by following the prompts on the screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily report a contact in Snapchat and help maintain a safe and respectful community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.